If you want to maintain your privacy while shopping on SHEIN, you can hide your online status. Follow these simple steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open the SHEIN app. Launch the SHEIN app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings and personal information. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, look for the settings option, usually represented by a gear icon. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 4. Find privacy settings. Scroll through the settings menu until you find privacy or privacy settings. Select this option to view your privacy preferences. Step 5. Toggle online status. Look for the option that allows you to hide your online status. Toggle the switch to turn it off, ensuring that your online activity is not visible to others. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on SHEIN. Enjoy your shopping experience with added privacy.